Hello everybody, my name is Lucas and today we are making a paper airplane called the Eagle. Now, does everybody have a rectangle piece of paper? If you do, that's great. But if you don't, I'll give you a few seconds to go get one. Now if you have it, you start off by taking the corner and folding it so that there should be a sharp corner. And then you unfold, take that corner and fold it to the end of the crease. So once you have that, you open it, flip it upside down, push the middle of the X, and then fold it. And then that fold should be touching the middle of the X. And then flip it the other way. Use your finger and push the middle of the X down. That crease that you made, push it down. And then push this top remaining part down. Just like that. Take this part up and fold this part right about there. And then take the other side and do the same thing. Once you have that, it should look like that. And then you take the top and fold it to here. Like that. Then you take that part and fold it to the tippy top. Then now you should have that. You fold it in the smacking half, and then you'll have that shape. And then you fold the wings about right up to there, and then that's how small you should have the place to hold it. And then do the same thing on the other wing. And then that's the Eagle. But if you want to make it even cooler, you don't fold it up and you don't fold it down. And then it will be really cooler because it will have a pointy nose. So do it any way you want. Just like that. Goodbye.